Good morning everybody and welcome to Vlogmas day 27. So it is currently 11:30 and today we're not really doing much. Alright, not doing much.
Set yourself up for tonight, energy wise.
Because we are going out tonight because it's my granddad's birthday tomorrow and he wants to go out tonight. And it's just going to be me, my mum, my auntie, him, and then his side of the family, Jackie's side of the family, which is his girlfriend. So we're going out tonight. So this vlog is just going to be based on tonight because like we're not really doing much today, but I'll still vlog kind of today. So yeah, I just need to catch up on YouTube because I haven't watched it over the past since Christmas Eve. So that's what I'm doing today. My mum's doing her puzzles.
So I'm doing my puzzles. I'm just doing some ironing, and then I'm just going to potter about this afternoon and just do bits. Be careful of energy because I need it for tonight. I'm not doing it as if I'm having a party in a rave out, but I still need to salvage energy to keep awake.
Yeah, so that's what we're doing today. So I will see you later on, probably after dinner, and I'll update you on what we are doing. So I'm on the floor and I've had to make do with a dodgy slanted tripod, but I'm basically going to unwrap everything from Christmas, so all my presents, what are in boxes, in packages, then take them out, put the packages and recycle them, and then make a pile so then I can take this upstairs when I get dressed later tonight. And I thought I would show you it in a vlog because why not? So these chocolate needs going to the kitchen, so let's make a kitchen pile. So I'm going to unbox this perfect pamper basket. So I haven't smelt any of these things and let's see if this is going to smell good. I'm sure they will, but
I'm going to do this and then I'm going to do this.
Oh, look at that! It's a star sponge.
Ooh,
how cool is that? Look. Devon. Oh, it smells of Play-Doh.
Oh, wait.
That smells of Play-Doh. I've never used these before in my entire life. Soothing eye mask, apparently. I don't know what you have to do with it. So let's see what it says on the back. Eye mask instructions. Use cool to energize your eyes and help reduce puffiness and energize tired perfect headache, relieving headaches or jet lag. To place in the freezer for 15 minutes and lie back and apply to closed eyelids for 10 to 15 5 to 10 minutes. Or you can use it warm. Also, it's basically relieving the headaches or jet lag. Well, I'll wait for that because I have headaches nearly every day. So basically you put this in the freezer for 15 minutes and then you just lay back and be like, okay. How cool.
You want it in ice? Yeah. Stuck it over you.
What?
You got it in hard plastic.
That. And then we have a shower proof. Always need one of these. A massive tub of coconut body butter. Let's smell that. Oh, that's coconutty. Put a pile of plastic over there. We have strawberry body scrub. Oh, that's nice. Mango bath soak. Oh, that's nice. I like that smell. So that's for that box. And then we have this makeup and makeup set. It's a tongue twister, isn't it? Really? Why everything's so hard to open? Okay, so we have a glittery bronzer, which looks really nice. We have 2 quads of eyeshadow. We have, I'm gonna say like natural colours with like green. So we have like 2 brown, a white and a green. Really can't see in this lighting. Then we have blue, green, grey and then like a silver. Here we have a little like palette kind of, like a little travel palette, so like you can just like pop things out and stuff, so I think it's really cool. So we have another quad, this is like black and purples. And then we have like, I'm going to say like natural, like daytime. I'm going to say that this is like daytime, like nighttime. And then we have a blusher. So it just like pops in here, so you just be like pop. Like so. Or you just go like that and take it away with you, which I think is an amazing idea. And then we have a lip crayon, a twist up crayon, which is this really pretty like pink. I really like that colour. We have a mascara, which is a really good like wand. Try that out. We have a double-ended eye pencil, so brown and black. We have like a blusher sass bronzer brush, or like a contour kind of brush. Like a sharpener, so we can sharpen the eye pencils. We have this really pretty nail polish actually. Might put this on later before we go. It's just this really nice like silver nail polish, like with different like colours. Can't see, but it's really nice actually. My mum's nodding over there. And we just have two little sponge eye brushes, and then on the other end we have like, I don't know, brush. Then I'm going to open this up. This actually might need scissors. I'm not sure. No. Don't need scissors. And you've got hands. Screw this on. So this comes with another shower, bath there, and then 3 good size actually. They're like really nice size. Shower gels. These are like relieving shower gels. So these are. This one is Moroccan mint tea. Smell it. I wasn't really able to smell it, but I'm gonna have a try. Oh, I've got it on my nose. Oh, that smells nice. So that one's Moroccan mint tea. Really nice size actually. And then we have lemongrass and green tea. Oh, that smells nice. So this is lemongrass and mint tea. And then we have hibiscus and acai berry tea. Cranberry malt strawberry. To calm and restore, this one. And then this one's to simulate and invigorate. And then to energise and revive. Oh, that one's my favourite. I like that one quite a lot. I think my mum's gonna like the yellow one. But I got these 3, which are really cool. And then obviously you get to keep this, which is the best thing because I love these kind of things. And I have like 50 million of these, don't I? You must have. So that can go in that pile over there, the rubbish pile. This is like my little makeup, it's not little, makeup drawer, which I love because I'm run out of room to store my makeup again. So I have that much makeup, which is all fine and dandy. Because the girl can't have too much makeup. And this is from New Look. So I believe you can still get this. So basically it's just like acrylic drawers, and they just pull out like that. You can't see. see on camera, but it's just loud. And I think that's really cool. This perfume, which is Burberry, or by the brand Burberry, so to say. Really nice packaging. This is what I got. Oh my god, it's like never ending. That's nice.
I like that little bottle.
Oh, that's nice. Like that smell. And this is Touch. Oh, that's a nice smell. I like that one. Little Miss Fabulous. I ain't Little Miss Fabulous. Yeah. I do try. So in here I got a shimmer lotion and a body wash. Smelling. I don't really smell of anything. I don't think I want to smell of anything, to be honest. That one does, that smells nice. Smells like a perfume that I've just sprayed, kind of, like a floral kind of scent. Very nice, and not overpowering. Silk and Glory, Pick and Spritz. So if this vlog turns out to be boring, but I'm making up for yesterday because I deleted all my footage, which like a donut I was. So I'm sorry about that. I did vlog, but I deleted all my footage. My mum's watching me.
I'm a move.
So I've got Clean On Me Creamy Moisturising Shower Gel. Oh, that's nice. Never had anything from Silk and Glory before. Rich and Formous, Sharon Bath Body Wash. Oh, that smells like cupcake, like biscuit. Sugar Crush Body Wash and Gel. Oh, that's nice. It's my favourite. Then we have Sugar Crush Body. I think like the match each other. Maybe. No. Sugar Crush Body Spray. Oh, that's nice. Oh, reminds me of my childhood. Oops. And then we have Original Pink, so this might be just like an original, like, natural smell. Oh, that's nice. Smells like something I've owned. I'm not very good at describing scents. And then we have Smoothie Star. Oh, that smells like
I don't think we can't be, you know, like.
vanilla. And that's it what I have to unbox, I believe. Because everything else is just like books and a bag and stuff. So yeah, look at the mess I'm doing now. Hey. So it is currently 6:05 and as you can see I'm still in my PJs. Doing anything to my hair or my face or anything at all really. Because I'm about to do that right now. I'm in my bedroom where the makeup is. I'm going to do a full face of makeup, including doing a cut crease and everything like that, and then wear like a really nice outfit and stuff, like for my mum, and then we can crack on because I like to do my makeup with her and stuff because we like to have a good natter. But yeah, I thought I'd just let you know what we're doing. I haven't really been doing much today. I've just been literally just catching up on YouTube and things. I've been bleeding and things like that, so I need to sort this mop out of her hair afterwards. I've got changed, but yes, it's really cold in my bedroom, so I'm just going to wait for my mum and then we can crack on with looking a lot better than this, because currently I look awful. So I'll see you when I look a whole lot better and I've gotten changed, and I will speak to you then. What? Makeup completed. Can't see in this light, let me like bring you close. So I've done my makeup. All I need to do is put lipstick on, but I'm going to do that after I've got my clothes on and done my hair. We haven't got time, like it's literally like 7 maybe, and we have like 15 minutes, so I need to shut up and go get changed, put lipstick on. I am going to be wearing Tiny Bear matte liquid lipstick in Santa's Little Helper. Mum's going to wear Rimmel 560 As You Want Victoria. Perfume I'm going to put on is Little Black Dress, and top I'm going to wear this one, which you can't see because it's inside out, but you can see the pattern of it. So yeah, I'm gonna go and I will see you when you probably get there, and I will do my little best of vlogging, but I don't know how well I'm going to. Probably just vlog in the toilets. Sorry I didn't manage to vlog, just because I just wanted to spend it with the family and I just didn't want...
Just wanted to create that.
Yeah.
What did you get?
It's
We got
currently
red.
11:45 at night, so 11:40, nearly 12 o'clock, and
We'll go to bed.
we're gonna go to bed. We had a really good night though, didn't we? Like, it was really good. We played a quiz, and then we played bingo, and then we played another quiz. Really fun. We enjoyed the food. I had carver, my mum had carver, my auntie had scampi and chips, and then the rest had like carver, some stuff like that. I don't really know, but really enjoyed it, and we've done it like twice. This is the second time, and they're really nice, the other half of the family, and we just had a really fun night. We took some pictures, I put them on Facebook, not them all, like I can't put the ones on with the little lass Amelia, just because like she's only 10 and she doesn't have Facebook and her mum doesn't want it, which obviously I totally understand, so I just upload the photos of just us without her, but I will keep them on my phone for memories and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed now, take this makeup off, take the dress and trousers off, and yeah, been a really fun night. Sorry about this vlog being a whole boringness and stuff like that, but really couldn't help that. But tomorrow we're going to Meadowhall, so that should be a fun vlog. Had to spend some money.
Christmas money, what we've been given, not me, I call it.
Some Christmas money. Which I'm very much excited. Are you going?
Yeah.
Are you not saying bye then?
Oh, sorry.
And we're just going to spend this
Night.
Wait, you're not going to spend this Christmas. We're going to spend this Christmas money tomorrow. What we've got. And yeah, that's what we do. So if you guys did enjoy this vlog, and please do give it a massive thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you are new. If you are already new, thank you so much for subscribing. Welcome to the family. Hit the notification bell, and then you know when I upload my next Vlogmas or next vlog. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning with another vlog.
Night.
Good night.
Night.